guys, well, here we are off to the start of a great spring. We're above 70 degrees today, super excited about it. Got my short sleeves on, my work shirt on, so I'm ready to do some stuff. We've got the 2004 Duramax here, and I've had this truck over a month now, and you can see we use it pretty regularly. Pretty muddy on the outside. I've cleaned it up once or twice, you know, giving it a good wax and everything, so the outside I'm not worried about. But I have really not paid attention to the interior like what I need to. It has it's been used as a work truck, and I kind of cleaned up the front initially. But today I want to really hit this truck, get it cleaned up, get it looking nice and sharp and everything as much as we can. And I wanted to show you kind of the way that I do this, guys. So obviously I'm not a professional and don't have like a shampooer or anything like that, so I can only use the products that I buy off the store shelf unless I want to buy a shampooer, which I really don't, because I don't do it that much, especially since I got floor mats in here. So once I get the carpet cleaned up, I'm really not too worried about it. But basically my process is pretty easy. There's one product that I really like to use, and I'm gonna leave you guys a link down in the description on Amazon if you want to check it out. If you buy through the link, it does help support the channel, so appreciate you guys to check that out. But what we're looking at here is Tuff multi-purpose foam cleaner. This is some really good stuff. I've been using this for years. A family member of mine who is really particular about his vehicles, keeping them nice and clean. He's got a Silverado that I think is a 2000 and has almost 300,000 miles on it. Looks basically brand new. He uses this stuff, and I think that's part of his secret, guys. So I really enjoy this stuff. So we're going to use this to clean up the Silverado today. But as you can see here, we've got stuff under the floor mats that need cleaned up. In the back here, which I have not even looked at the back, to be honest with you, we've got a little bit of mystery stain under the floor mat here. And rolling around to the other side, let's take a look at it. Open the door, we've got the floor mat out of here. And back here we've got, I need to get this antifreeze out of the way. I need to take a lot of stuff out of here. I kind of use this as a work truck myself, so you'll have to excuse the mess. Actually, this side's pretty clean. But nonetheless, I'm going to take a lot of this crap out of here. That way we can start detailing this dude up and get it looking good. Except for my microfiber, I could use this. So really, guys, this is as easy as a process as can be. You see a few clean microfibers, the Tuff Stuff foam cleaner I showed you, and then a scrubby brush of some fashion, like this guy here, and a shop vac, preferably one that can do wet or dry. So I've got this guy here, just a little one. Cool thing about the Duramax I just found the other day, guys, check it out, came with a scrub brush, so I can use that guy if I want to. But I've got this one here that we've had for obviously a long time. So all you've really got to do with this is shake it up real good, pop the top. It's just an aerosol cleaner, so we're going to spray it right on the spots that looked a little stained or something in the carpet. And I'm not even worried about vacuuming yet because it's already pretty clean. So I'm going to vacuum as soon as we scrub all this crap out. No sense in vacuuming it twice, I don't think. I'm just going to hit everything here. You see it foams up really nice. I'm going to let this sit for a minute or two. It kind of gets stuck up on the nozzle sometimes. I'm going to let it soak for a minute or two. And then I'm going to scrub it really good with my scrub brush. So while that's soaking, I'm going to hit the back. So okay, let's kind of do a before and an after here. So this is what we're dealing with before. Can you guys hear the ice cream truck? That's how you know it's springtime. Alright guys, I apologize for the noise. Let's get to scrubbing. Alright guys, you can see we scrubbed around a little bit. Let's hit it with the vacuum, see what we can pull up. If you do want to try to pick some of the stuff up, you can take the microfiber Just give it a good wipe and you'll see, you'll be amazed at the crap that comes up out of your carpet. No matter how clean you think your rig might be, you'll always be amazed at the stuff that's going to come out whenever you do this. And this one wasn't even that dirty to begin with. And I'm going to let it dry out before I do a 100%. Here's the finished product. I'm going to go ahead and hit the other side now. And this right here that you may be seeing thinking it's dirty, actually the carpet's just kind of pulling away from under the trim here. Yeah, you can see it's just pulling away a little bit. So that's all that is. Nothing to be concerned about. Let's get this guy over here. I'm excited to see how this one cleans up. All right, time to scrub. Alright guys, so I'd hit the seats the other day, so I'm not going to do them again. May touch up in a few spots. Here's how the front turned out. Pretty good, I think. The back, this side turned out the best, by far. On the other side, and of course this still needs to dry out some. It's going to stay damp for a little while, even on a warm day like today. This side's still got some staining in there, I can tell. We'll see how it looks once it dries though, but some of the stuff's not going to come out with this product here. And man, that one spot on the driver's side, cleaned it right up. That looks really good. Let me show that to you guys again. That one that I was pointing out right back here, I mean, it's gone. It looks brand new. Alright guys, I think that's about it for today. I'm going to start putting up some of my product here. Start putting the truck back together, floor mats and all that sort of stuff. And now we got a cleaner truck to ride around in. Anyway guys, if you made it this far in the video, let me know what you like to clean your interior with, your vinyls and whatnot. I picked up this this Armor All. I've been using it for a while, interior detailer. And I mean, it works, but it kind of leaves a dull finish on all the trim and everything. So I want something with a little bit more gloss. I don't want it to be super shiny, but it does leave things looking a little bit dull. So let me know what you guys like. I've heard good things about Adams. Just haven't ponied up the money to buy Adams products yet, but definitely let me know what you guys like to use. Alright guys, I'm going to hit this with a little bit of interior detailer and call it done for now. Until next time, take care.